Welcome to my development stream. Today I wanna add new functionalities or improve on existing game stuff. First, let's look over the current state of the game. As always, first have to start stuff. Use top one. Start it. Lost game. Okay, still I am the blue dot, shooting white dots, wanting to destroy black dots. Destroy a black dot, I get XP, and if I get the next XP, I get level up. My XP is not displayed, my level is only displayed. With each level I give a skill point, and I can spend skill points with the keys 1, 2, 3 for more speed, health, or damage. If I take health, I have currently 171, now 126, 58 HP gets 277. Black dots reach me, I lose HP. If I have 0 HP, I die, and then I have a score based on how many kills I had. That's currently all. And let's small improvement on my main game vision as one file. Game task, game ideas. This is or do it here. Ideas. What game goal did I have? It's roguelike multiplayer. This is game goal. And here ideas. And let's look at the task. This was my last technical stuff, but today I wanna do functional stuff. And here was the idea, infinite map tiles, more variety of upgrades. I would improve on shooting mechanism. Gonna do think which comes with infinite map first. I wanna do is camera centers on player character. Let's start with this. When I paint, I paint all, paint character, projectiles. Why does paint all have so much in here? Well, it's refactoring another time. Player statistics, multiplayer, and yep. Okay. Background, character, and projectiles need to be based upon position. let's do maybe this export type position. Nope. It's x as a number, y as a number, and position is used here, and I think I can edit mid position and I can throw this out. Seems to work. And projectile set a position. I can throw this out. And to paint. Camera position. And it's position. And I should need it. And let's only use it where I currently need it. Camera and projectile skill counter. Doesn't need it. Escort not. Layer start not. Ping not. Go to characters. Add the position. Also need it here. Have the comma in it. The camera position here. And to subtract it, is this correct? Camera is 300. I also need to know the width and height of my. Let's so when if the character on 300 and the camera on 300, it would mean 0. We would need to add the width, half of width, make it in the middle. Do we calculate correct? If character is higher, then it will be positive more white. Yes, it looks correct. Sounds correct. Let's do I know the width of the window? Maybe I need to move on it later. It here. And for now I just add 150. How big was my window? 100, 300, 200, 150. Takes this again. Projectiles. Add it. Add it. Do the same here. Point X. Y. Dot better. It's somehow like this. Not perfect. And I need one more. Down there. Let's use 0, 0 for now. Still errors. Oh, this is not a position. Still errors. 9. Why is it showing these? I did not save. Oh, you can see how it looks. Okay, now let's add. Do we add it? It's not state related. It's not multiplayer. I need camera. It's in the camera, and it has a. Oh, not a position. It has a following character ID or something. Let's make just character ID some number. So the camera is pointing on a character, which we find over the and could be null. The character dies. Just does it point? Question. Does it also be the case that you want to control the camera's position? Not based on the character, so it's should it work? Should it be in position? Should have only need to allow it to behave differently in the future, at least. We could make a type as a character type, and if it's following a character, I need character ID. And if it does not need to exist, question mark, then I don't need the null. This might be a decent start. Well, let's choose this for now. Edit camera type is follow character. The game is not initialized, there is no character. You have to edit later. Here's the init. Players. Does init player add the... It's a player. This creates the key bindings. If it's the key binding, I should also set the character ID. Yes. I could still do this here. Game state characters. And now when I want to paint, give the game, let's keep it at that. Let's do it this way. Game camera. Game state characters. Oh, no. Did find character by ID. Yes, this should work. Character. Okay. This way. The position. Okay. Can be null. This can also be null. Then let's change it up a bit. Position by default will be 0, 0. If we have a camera ID. I think it's undefined. Now let character equals. This can be null. If character not equals null, then we can set the camera position equals character. Because character consists of a point, a position, would work. Yes. Now I can move. Now I have the problem that my bullets think the world ends here. But I want to make the world infinite, so the bullets have to have a basically a range they can fly before they disappear. Let's add this next. This would be a projectile. Projectile has a size, color, move speed. Let's add a range. This range, the time to live might be easier. It's faster, it reaches further. I might make time to live. Time to live. Live. Time to live is, let's say 3000 milliseconds, 3 seconds. But time to live. I wonder if it's better to put in the time when it needs to be moved. So basically, currently I would have to reduce the time every time tick. Make it the time when it needs to disappear. I still need to compare every round, so time to live, time to remove, time, the correct word, or what is a good word? Lead time, something like this. This would require, I know the game time at this in here. No, I give it as a variable, so I don't need it. Okay, let's call it delete time. Set 8, delete time, it's a number. Oops. Now somewhere has to be an error in character. Only there? This will be changed later. I will need new information here. Just fix it. Character and projectiles shoot. Also needs a game time. Do create projectile. Okay, then will I need a small change. Back to projectile, and this will game time I give in here. Delete time is game time. Game time by plus 1000. Now shoot needs the time. Where is it called? Here. Needs the game time. 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 Tick player character. Next reference. Character 54. Here. Still no game time. Game time. No. Game time. Where's the I always big? This goes to game. Here I have the game state time. Now back to projectile. We will no longer delete out of bounds. Remove. Let's call it remove projectiles. Out of bounds here. Currently I check if this was bad in the first place. And now I need to check if when the smaller, no, not this. Delete time is bigger equal needs a game time in here. Time number. This is my lead reason. Game time. Game time. Here. Game date time. And now I would expect I don't shoot at all. So they are deleted directly as my remove projectiles. Remove projectiles. And the delete time is bigger than game time. Sounds correct. No. Smaller is game time. Because I set the lead time greater and the game time is getting bigger and bigger. Yes, it was the wrong way. So now I shoot again. And 3 seconds. I can't even. Now I want to make the enemies spawn away from me. But also away from other player characters. This might be a bit difficult. I can just stay here and will never be surrounded. Damage, damage. Randomly upgrade stuff. Let's get speed. 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 Still can't reach. Speed. Also, my bullets fly faster than me, of course. I won't be able to. Now my character's dead and it... Yes, okay. Now character spawn, enemy spawning. Where does character spawn happen? Wait, random enemy here. Currently, I work with the hate of the game. Canvas? Let me think. I want this to always be, I think. Should be different types of spawning of enemies. One is spawn around the player. I will keep it that way. How can I... how can I create a function which gives me a position? I potentially could have a lot of players. Hmm. Sounds difficult. Do I have a paint? Didn't find a paint. Ubuntu paint program. Let's just go to GIMP, I would say. Can I do it here? Where's search? Here's search. Okay. Maybe I start with a simpler solution then. It's a game. I can keep this. I will random. This top or bottom. I can then right or left. Also, game state times. Okay, let's get this. Let's make. Oh, I will do it this way. Position equals. It's not correct. Game. It's based on the camera. I should make a function. Where did I use it first? Paint all, not here. The definition. Here. Okay, let's throw it in here for now. Get camera position. No, what did I do? Camera position, yes, perfect. I need the game. And get the import. Camera position, I want to use it here. I did not export it. Export here. Perfect. Did I destroy here? Get camera position. I have the game perfect. I have the center. Why is it? Missions? To click it. Okay. GIMP. Yeah, it's starting. File new. Okay. So the problem in multiplayer is don't want to push. Be good, I have player here, and now I can have a lot of players. Wanted to have, where do I have forms? I don't know. So I could make a boundary of spawns around here, and same on here. Then I'm not allowed to spawn. Okay, it's badly explained. I'm not allowed to spawn enemies too close to a player, because it would not be fair. And I have to spawn it outside this ring, but now I have multiple players, and just so happens that I can't, the only place around this player where I can spawn would be here, but to determine this is difficult. So the thing I will just do now is I will ignore the existence of other players, only spawn enemies around the first player, which is bad for start. And then later I will just spawn around every player, but then it can happen that to spawn of one player, an enemy will spawn directly and below other player, which is bad. But these are problems for later. The camera position, I let spawn distance make it let's make it 150. Now it's not round, but more a rectangle. It's not that bad. We get random. We multiply it with the spawn distance. I delete too much now. Next random. No, one moment. Yeah, this is correct. Why do I round one and one I don't? Ah, yes, okay, I understand. This can only be 1 or 2, 0 or 1. And this can be every value between, in this case, 0 and 150. Now I need to add the center X. And center Y. And this should work. It doesn't work. Does it? No, something is off. Did I break it somehow? I did break it. Why? This is now 0 or 150. If I add the center, it's I have to change it up. This doesn't change anything, but start with the center. Now I need the -150 or 150. So it's spawn distance times 2. But this needs to be -1 or 1. Oh, no. I make it -1 or 1, I make this. And next random rounded, I have 0 or 1. I multiply by 2, now I have 0 or 2. And if I subtract 1, I have -1 or 1. I have -1 or 1, and it's multiplied by spawn distance is -150 or 150. And this added to this is what I want. Now change it to y. It's already full. And now here, this is again, we'll change it around. We start with the center. We need minus spawn distance to positive spawn distance, which means we need a random number between, let's do it -0.5. So it goes from -0.5 to 0.5. Because next random is always between 0 and 1. And spawn distance times 2 should be correct. Let's hope. This looked good. It's looking good. And because I can run around now, I can increase the speed of this. I had it so slow because for testing reasons. Let's make it bigger. Let's open console. So in a second connection, this can okay, I lost synchronization because I only spawn. Based on what do I spawn? Not on the state. Yes, the camera position is not it's connection dependent. Can't do this. I need a random player position. Let's do this. Or a spawn for every player would also be an option. So more enemies with more players. Why not? Let's do it. Let player characters get player characters. What does he need? The characters. Game state characters. And then for should I do a let's keep using standard for loops. Character length plus okay, I can't loop in here. Only return enemy. But I have the game in here, so I do not need to return it. Let's switch it up. Find all references. Here we push. We take this out in here. To characters, oops. So now we create them. Bigger than we return. We don't create more than 100. I don't want to return them. I want to game state characters push. This is good. And in here. Oh, I can create more than 100, but not so bad. Not get camera position. It's player character. That's position. Okay, perfect. We start now. I'm in here. Let's destroy a bit with this. Let's destroy a bit with this. And let's look. It's looking synchronized. Let's go away with this. What happens? What I've said that save. Okay, if I don't know. Oh, all skill produced. Oh, this one died. Oh, I can see bullets flying. Here, okay, this is a max range. Do they? Yes, okay. Okay, I'm trying to check. And this is working. Now I have an infinite map. Okay. If I run way too much, I lose all sense of direction. But for now it's okay. Now let's improve. We can check in. We have one working thing. Let's get to game task. Camera center on players. It's done. Can push all in. Camera on players. Infinite map. I did not. What did I? This is. I didn't save something. Thanks for the info. Game vision. Did I have in game vision? Game vision. Empty. I didn't save it. Push. Okay. Next task. Map tiles. Procedural generation. I think I wanna do these two first to make the game get more variety update, improve on shooting mechanism. So, oops. I first push this up. If I change the shooting, I will have more options for upgrades. So currently I shoot every game tick. It's better to have a shooting speed, and this can then be upgraded. So I shoot one bullet every X milliseconds. And I also can make like a option for double bullets. So shooting like this by default or by an upgrade. Spreading bullets. Bullets could be disappear once they hit an enemy, so they only deal damage once. Or they pierce, and pierce can be an upgrade. So a lot of options. Let's start. So I want shoot every XMS, not every game. Tick. One bullet only hit one enemy, but pierce X times upgrade. And shot spread upgrades. No, this doesn't sound multi-shot. Let's call it multi-shot. Multi-shot upgrade. Multi-shoot, multi-shot. I don't know. Let's call it this. Let's do these. Currently, this would be a character specific. I have to think. Currently only the enemies don't shoot. So I basically want different types of characters. Currently have factions. Have damage directly on the character. Well, let's it's a lot of improvement how I could split all this up. Is only the players going in level. Let's add to the leveling character. I have experience level, skill points, upgrade options. Let's make shooting values. Shoot. Oh, I already have shooting. This is frequency. The number. Peer. Peers. Count. Number. Bullet multi-shot. Multi-shoot number. Das ist frequency peers. Yes, let's do it. Okay, somewhere this character needs to be created. Here, shooting. Start with frequency being, say, 10 shots per second. No, let's every half second. Pierce count will be 0. We don't pierce and we don't have a multi-shot. Let's start with this. Now, pierce count needs to be on a projectile. Yep. Pierce count is a number. And we start with 0. No. We need the value. Pierce count. Piece count. Pierce it. Yes. Piercing. No. I it. Piercing. Piercing should be correct. Pierce count. Pierce count is a number. PS count. Okay. I create a projectile and I need character shooting. Give in a character. Let's make it a leveling character. Level character. Then I can easily do character shooting PS count. And character, leveling character. Next error happens here. I just say it's one. Not perfect, but currently don't know better. Or can I? And character E. Type of is not. Can I do in if it doesn't give me the option? Instance of it doesn't allow. I don't think I can test it, so keep it like this for now. Now I should have influenced the PS count, but I currently don't. Care about this value. Let's find out where hitting happens here. I go to all projectiles, then to all characters. Here I have a hit. I could do projectile point PS count minus and PS count smaller than 0, we wake. So if PS count is 0, I say we have hit an enemy. We are now on -1, so we no longer check for more collisions. But I also need to delete it. But delete happens in ticking. Maybe it's not the best, but let's do it. Or either game time is up or PS count is up. So now I deletes him for this reason too. The second one is not set. That's I need to reconnect them. So I think yes, they're no longer peers. An enemy. It's getting I could also twice say no, let's keep it that way. It's getting harder. Now I need to adjust the shooting frequency. I shoot. Where do I think on character ticks? Tick player character. Tick player character. I always shoot. I don't want to always shoot. Wait a moment. Put it in level character and I have a frequency. Okay. But I think I need next shot time. I don't remember when I did. Next shot time is a number. Number. T-Shot. Hey. Food und Shot. Multi-Shot is with one. Does multi-shoot exist? No. Okay, let's do it with single time multi-shot. Multi-shot, next shot time. Now it's shoot, I think. Shooting. Next shoot time, shot time. Well, I think both can work. Fine for me. I have to think. If my frequency is, say 1, and I have to shoot 16 times per tick, do I want that? I think yes. Also it will, well, it will create game lag, but not the problem fluently. For the next shoot time, need to go back to a character. Next shot time starts with 0. Game time also starts with 0, so should be okay. So, tick player character. If character shooting, it's shooting, not shotting. Shooting is correct. Next shoot time is to have the game. I have the game time. Perfect. It's time for a shot. I do it and I character shooting shoot time I have to increase to character shooting frequency, and if I have to do the whole thing because I want to shoot multiple times, want to have an infinite small thing, I have to do it as long as this is fulfilled. Then I no longer need the if. And I have one bracket too much. Now I can shoot. Okay, I have a frequency. It should work now. Yes. Okay. Now I need to add more upgrades. Range can also be an upgrade. The time to live, or how I called it. Let's add it. A character. Character? Yes, character. No, leveling character. Multi-shot. Didn't call it range, but shoot. Time to live. Let's call it Z. No. Time to live has to be. Let's start with 1000. Number. Oops. Now we. Where do I create projectiles? I have. Yeah, this will now be time to live. Game time. I adjust so everything in time to live. Number. Character needs to edit. It's getting very long. I want character and shooting point to live. Good for me, thanks. Now it should fly less. Yes. Let's Now I want more upgrades. How did I do the upgrades? In character? I have an upgrade option which is called and which adds stuff, and I just add them here, I think. Oops. So I will add an upgrade which is shot speed, shooting speed. Let's call it shoot speed up. I suppose here is not perfect, but have a character, but I need a leveling character. Can I do this? But it needs to be a leveling character. I will change this up. Where do I define upgrade options is string? Upgrade option here. No more other mistake. Damage but shooting. Oh, what do I? Okay, let's be a bit crazy with we half the shoot speed, which is double damage, and pierce up. Piercing +1. Is pierce count +1. I should have more upgrades, but it's a level. Okay. I have no new upgrades. I'm either unlucky or something is off. It takes too long. I need to go to characters, enemies, enemy. This HP? No, HP is HP. HP is, where is it? Yeah. Game time divided by 100. In 1 second it's 10. And let's do 1/10 of that. This was strange. I have, here piercing happened. So let's use piercing. Yes, it works. Piercing works. I can do one more piercing. Another piercing. Can do damage. Shoot speed. Pew pew. Shoot speed. Pew. Now I'm making more piercing. Damage. Full speed. More faster. Okay. So far it's working. Damage, piercing. Shoot speed up even more. Okay, now the description's getting longer. Piercing, piercing. Damage. Shoot speeds. Now I'm piercing, speed. Okay. Shoot speed even more. Okay, I think. Now I'm getting strong really fast. Okay. Can I die? So this is working. Now I want to have shot spread. Currently the character is the one. Shoot. Move direction. I can let's I could get my character here. Something feels off currently. I go back to characters. In character. To character. Who does the shooting? I shoot and I who needs to detect if I shoot or not? Does the shoot function do it? A tick player character. And the multi-shot cannot clearly see how I do it. Well, I will do the multi-shot in here for now. Which means for let e equals 0 e kleiner character shooting multi-shot. Shoot one time minimum, so I add 1 because this starts with 0. Or I could also do smaller equals, it's the same. And we make a multi-shot. Let's shot spread equals, well, it will be a number and it's equals. I don't have the game for a random number. Well, we will add it. I want the game because I want to do the random number. Next random needs game state, which is, well, let's keep it for now. Get a random number. This is between 0 and, okay, this is between minus 0.5 and 0.5. Let's divide it by 10. Just some random, and it will spread harder for how much multi-shot I have. And now we add it on the move direction. So if my multi-shot is 0, it will be 0. If multi-shot is 1, okay, I think this can work. I have an error somewhere. I added the game, yes. 7. The game timer, not the game. I throw in the game. Game. Currently the fast solution. Character 70s here. Still no game in here. Game. Format. 55. Can I throw in a game? For some reason, the spawning of enemies happens. I get skill points. 1, 2, 3. Something is off. I get 60 kills. Let's restart. This is interesting. I get 3 kills for 62 kills, yes. Enemies don't spawn, they... I know. They spawn with 0 HP. This is interesting. Character... Where do I create the enemy? Enemy creation. Create random enemy. Maß.floor. Also ein Ziel. Now it will always be at least 1. Yes. 3 free starting levels is nice for testing, but piercing. Piercing. Good speed. I can't test what I wanted. I need to add an upgrade. I add multi-shot. Multi-shot +1. Multi-shot +1. Perfect. Level shoot speed. Piercing. Multi-shot. Okay. Well, it's hard to see on short distance, but I have multi-shot. Speed up, shooting. Multi-shot. Shoot speed up. Multi-shot. Okay. Piercing. Shoot speed up. Yeah. Multi-shot. Should speed up. Oh no, I'm far too strong. Can get laggy. Should speed up. Should speed up. Piercing. Damage. Multi-shot. No range will damage. Multi-shot. Oh, I have far too many skill points just. Oh. My game can no longer keep up. What can I do? Reload. This should react after a time. Ping of 6,000, interesting. But it's not the server, this should be... Well, wonder if I drop frames. Let's try to get it closed. Okay. So, let's make the shoot speed up upgrade. This is basically double damage. Each upgrade, which is bad. So let's do a 10% upgrade. 20% upgrade. Let's do 20% upgrade. Let's make PS +1, multi-shot +1, shoot it up. This is 20%, shoot speed plus 20%, so. It's more, but let's see if it's also I should because I'm bound to the server speed, I cannot keep up. This is correct. Should I do something for? Let's go multi-shot here. Multi-shot. Damage. Shoot speed up. Okay, it's only 20% now. It's not necessarily the best option. Shoot speed up. Damage. Pierce. First Pierce is double damage. Pierce. Pierce. Shot speed. Damage. Multi-shot. 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 Faster shooting. Yes. Speed. No, I'm multi-shot. 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 Good speed. Multi-shot. Multi-shot. Pierce. Good speed. Shoot speed. Shoot speed. Multi-shot. No. Damage. Damage. Speed. Pierce. Shoot speed. Shoot speed. Multi-shot. Speed. Damage. Shoot speed. Multi-shot. Multi-shot. Damage. Oh, I'm already again on. Shoot speed. Shoot speed. Damage. Pierce. Multi-shot. 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 Shoot speed. Yes. Bit too powerful. Can I die? Health, oh no, I'm in the console. Damage, damage. Okay. Okay, it's a bit fun, but it's far too powerful. Short. Before I go, I will probably want something to prevent a total crash. The runner. For single player, I don't care. For multiplayer, I probably have to disconnect at some point. So let counter equals 0, counter plus. When the window is not in focus, I don't want too many. So on should I can do it then counter smaller 100. And counter bigger 100. Console log game cannot keep up. Like this. No. It's equals 100. Or bigger equal? Does this exist? No, okay. Should not be able to get over, but maybe this helps a bit. Let's try to reach it. PS is speed, multi-shot, PS or speed. Yeah. Shoot speed, multi-shot. Multi-shot. Shoot speed. Shoot speed. Multi-shot. Some PS, shoot speed, multi-shot. So I should slowly damage multi-shot. We pierce, damage, multi-shot, shoot speed, shoot speed, shoot speed. Pierce, pierce, multi-shot, multi-shot, shoot speed, shoot speed, multi-shot, shoot speed. I get infinite levels, no. Random button presses, random upgrades. Random upgrades. Oh God. This game's still keeping up. Interesting. Okay, now it's laggy, but it can barely handle it. A bit more, a bit more. And should. Doesn't react. Should now slowly. Ah, I understand. Let's move a bit to the right. Maybe. Game cannot keep up, so it happens. I think 100 rounds are. Okay. Let's make it 50 maybe. So this is should keep the browser from totally blocking. So we can still reload. Okay, but now I need to get me in here. No. Should localhost here. There it go. Okay, let's restart for both to be in and let's see if it works. Okay, it will be hard to keep both alive. Let's get so multi-shot on this side, pierce on this side, other pierce, shoot speed. Can I wait? Run for your life. Run for your life. 70. I still have both. Shoot speed, multi-shot, shoot speed. Okay. I'm on the left, shoot speed. Okay. Pierce. One to the bottom and survived. Nice. Okay. Multi-shot. Damage. Let's do 1 health. Let's rescue us in to here. Good speed. Pierce. Good speed. Damage. Health. Let's go to here. Multi-shot. Health. Shoot speed. multi-shot, shoot speed, multi-shot, slowly, getting strong, multi-shot, no, wrong side, multi-shot, shoot speed, yes, one for our lives, multi-shot, damage, oh, this is also, okay, now, let's pierce, multi-shot, speed, like this can speed, multi-shot, shoot speed. Oh. I might have to be careful. But else speed, multi-shot, yes. Okay. Yes. Else pierce, multi-shot, damage, shoot speed, that multi-shot, pierce, damage, shot speed, shoot speed, multi-shot. No, they won't die. No, random. Test one cannot keep up. I don't have the console here. 9. So till now it looks it's keeping in sync, and it keeps up. Oops. So it's get laggy slowly. As it's reaching its limits. Let's go. Now gets other points spent. It should be able to keep up, I think. It still cannot keep up. Now it's happening slowly. And disconnect this one. It's enough, and let's refresh. It's able to, okay. This is fine. Okay. Already 2 hours in. We have done a game task, shooting, multi-shot, bullet onion, yes, and pierce. I think this is done. And we have more upgrade varieties. So we have improved on it. It works. Let's shit. Shooting mechanic upgrade. Commit. Push. Can also functional, technical. Might be have some upgrade versions. Technical. I wonder if functional task. No, let's call it. Do I have future? I have future technical, so I have future functional. Don't know if it counts a function, but projectiles ting enemy ting same enemy every ticks might be low priority, but it's what it is, doesn't happen. Okay. Could think about next steps, but map tiles and procedural map generation is an idea. I think my currently is okay. The current problem is the game is getting easier and easier. It's not generally bad. Speed. Speed appears would be better. Yes. Speed. T-shirt. Speed, multi-shot. Yes. 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 Damage. Multi-shot. Multi-shot. Damage. Speed. Yes. Multi-shot. Damage. Multi-shot. Speed, shoot, speed. Damage. Speed, multi-shot. Shoot, speed. Speed. And random upgrades. More random upgrades. Yeah. Well, it's still running for this amount of stuff happening. T-shirt. Wait. Oh, I had over 100 skill points, okay. Now it's crashing. Okay. Okay, it adds that I need more XP for every level. And enemies getting stronger faster after time. A lot of options to make it hard at the end. But I think the biggest problem is that the infinite scaling of the player creates lag. Well, I could improve the performance of the code and therefore allow even more bullets. In the end, it's scaling exponentially, so it will break either way currently. Think is a good place to stop. Let's play one last time. I'm the blue dot, shooting white dots in my last move direction. If I destroy enough black dots, I get a level. For every 20 kills, I get a level better. Then I can spend a skill point. 3 is multi-shot, so if I skill multi-shot, I now shoot 2 white dots. Basically double damage. Next multi-shot upgrade is I now shoot 3 dots. And another multi-shot upgrade, now it will be 4 dots. And I have shoot speed, I will shoot faster. Pierce, currently each bullet disappears once it hits an enemy. With Pierce, it will be able to pierce one enemy and hit 2. Pierce again and will be able to hit 3 times. Damage up is just more damage, multi-shot, more bullets, more Pierce. And the stronger I get, faster I kill enemies, the faster I will level. More shoot speed, more damage. When a black dot reaches me, I lose my HP. My HP reaches 0, I die and have a high score of kills. And could also make the enemies faster, and if they're faster than me, well, we have to try around next time. Now I'm basically become so strong that I cannot lose, and currently, yes, I shoot too many bullets or upgrades, and at some point I become so strong that I defeat my computer, because he can no longer keep up. More. Oh, yes. Now it can no longer keep up. I'm shooting too many bullets into a small time window. What I could improve is it's very detailed. Okay, current state. Let's see my recording if this create lag in my stream. But that's for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.